really excited for this recipe, Paul. We're going to make poached duck.
So we already started heating this up. It's on low. We're just gonna get this nice and hot. So a little bit of butter.
Yum. That's wonderful. Now, one thing you'll notice too is a lot of our recipes are using the same ingredients, which is a great cost-effective and kind of a zero waste approach, right? Where you're reducing the waste in your home. You're not buying a lot of ingredients that you may not use. So there's lots of versatility in having these ingredients around. I really did want to use shallot because it's also local, locally grown. And it's a wonderful, mild version of onion, so I really, really like it. Oh, what are you doing? This is amazing.
Yeah.
Oh.
So again, like we saved the oranges and the limes that we juiced earlier, right? So again, you're gonna just quickly sear it and then activate some of those flavors, right?
That's amazing. You love high heat. Like, you're really talking about this technique, which is, you know, great learning for me, is that when you use high heat with things like aromatics, you really release a lot of the flavor and you create a lot of flavor, and you haven't used a bit of salt, you know, nothing processed in there at all. Wow. People tell me all the time, when I go to a restaurant, the food just tastes better. So I really like going to restaurants instead of cooking at home. Well, here's like, you know, the hack, right? This is gonna create a lot of flavor for you at home. It's not gonna be boring at all to eat at home. You're gonna wanna eat at home more often, which is awesome. Okay, you're crushing it. You're crushing it.
Yeah.
Yes.
Once we put it in and we crank it up, you're definitely gonna be able to smell all of the natural aromatics, right?
Wow, beautiful.
So those are all activating, and what we're gonna do next is I'm gonna score some of the meat. I'm just gonna turn this down for a sec.
Yeah.
So.
What does it mean when you say you're scoring?
Yeah, so.
What's the significance?
Sorry, hold on. Okay.
Yeah, go ahead.
We're just gonna clean this up a little bit here.
Okay.
On the back here is some of the sinew there that you don't want, right?
Okay.
So I'm just cutting off some of the extra fat that's here, because when you have that, that's gonna be really chewy, you know? So you see, like I squared it up, got all
that looks so
the
good.
excess fat off, took the sinew off.
Amazing.
So I'll just score it here now. So again, like what this is doing is you're cutting into the breast and gonna allow more of the flavors to come in, right?
Oh, okay, so you're increasing the surface area for flavor to go right in there.
Yeah. Usually you can do like some X's, but I would normally have a filleting knife for this kind of stuff.
Yeah.
But this is good. And then if you can just do some salt and pepper on there.
Yeah, absolutely.
I'll turn this back up. Oh yeah. I like the char on all of that.
Beautiful.
So again, like it's getting nice and hot. You can see the pan is starting to smoke there, right?
Wow.
So I'm gonna push all this stuff kind of to the side.
Love it.
And then we're gonna go right in the middle there.
Right in the middle, beautiful, where the heat is.
Yeah.
And you're putting it skin side down. That's where the fat is.
Yeah.
So that's how we want to cook most of the time.
Yeah.
Is on that fatty side.
Yeah.
Which is really like adding more oil.
Yeah,
You
right?
didn't.
We're just searing the duck, so I want to get it like nice and golden, a little bit of color to it, and then we're gonna add the stock. Just one of the tricks that I learned, you know?
Oh yeah, look at that, gorgeous color.
It's almost there. I like it just a little bit more darker, not much.
Yeah.
So I'll go here.
And how much do you want like the inside bit to be cooked?
Yeah.
Look at that landing. That's
Right?
a 10 out of 10. That landed beautifully. See, I didn't want to do that today, but I'm gonna brave it on my own. I promise.
Yeah, so the color on that looks pretty good. Now we're gonna turn it down. Now we can add the stock.
Sure. Oh, this is my favorite part. This is just, oh my God. This is amazing. Look at, this is real. Real
So
deal.
we're gonna just turn it up and bring it to a little.
You want to get rid of some of the water there.
Yeah,
thicken
just
the sauce.
yeah, just to bring it up to a boil, and then you'll turn it down. So it's coming to a boil now. So you're gonna put the lid on and then turn it down, and then
Perfect.
you let that go for like 8 to 10 minutes. And it should be
Excellent.
good.
Yay, amazing. I'm so excited I got to learn how to make duck. I'm definitely going to do that again.